Hey guys, what's up everyone? If you're a student, please watch this video till the end because there's an AI website which I want to introduce to you. Trust me, it will gonna blow your mind. Alright, so before we jump into our video, if you have no idea what AI means, AI simply means artificial intelligence. Alright, so it's a wide ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Alright, so before we wasting time, let's jump into our video. You can basically go to any of your browser, then enter this website. Alright, so yeah, 𝗪𝗜𝗧𝗪.ai, just like this. Once you log into this website, all you need to do is to create a free account just like this. All right, so let me just create a free account rapidly. You can just sign up just below login here. You can just sign up a free account just like this. All right, you can just enter your name, last name, email address, password, then boom, then you continue. All right, then you go and enter any AC topic that you want. Once you sign up everything, guys, you just need to tap on this I agree to the 𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗪 terms and privacy policy. You can choose any AC that you want. Okay, for example, like show people be banned from using cell phones when driving, why or not. So you can choose any topic that you want. For me, I'm choosing this one. Okay, negative effect of technology on society. Let me just write an essay of this one. Right, let me ask a question of this one. It will give me the full essay, guys. Like this, negative effect of technology on society. Right, so just exercise some little patience. That's it. You can choose how many words that you want your essay to be. For me, let me just choose at least like 500. Right, so yeah, so just exercise some little patience, guys. It will write me the full essay. As you see, guys, so this is the full essay, right? So it already write me the 500 words essay size. So if I also want, guys, I'll download the essay as a PDF. So this is super easy, guys, to do. Every student should try this one, guys. So this is a cool website. But if you have any question about this website, just feel free to let me know. Let's say, for example, like you want to download this essay, you can just tap on download, guys. You can download this essay as a PDF. As you see, guys, do you want to download negative effect of technology on society as PDF? So if you tap on download, it will simply download it. All right, so yeah, that is it. All right, this is everything about the video, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. All right, so if you found this video useful, please follow me on all my social media platforms so that you won't miss any of my future videos like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. All right, so see you on my next video. Peace.